again press it on.
The marketing of the film has just started and it's started in full swing. I think most of you must have seen the trailer of the film. We just thought that we should meet up with all of you after the launch of that trailer. And today, when we have the next big thing as far as the promotions are concerned on this film, we just thought we would meet you all here. So to tell you a little bit more about the film and this big exclusive thing that we have today for all of you, let me call upon stage director Mr. Rajkumar Gupta.
Hi everyone. Again, welcome. Thank you for coming in. And as you know, you have seen the promo, and you know briefly about what the film is. But still, I would want to tell you about Ghanchakkar. It's a mad, quirky comic thriller where Vidya and about a couple played by Imran and Vidya. Uh, Imran plays a former lockpicker, and Vidya, of course, plays his Punjabi housewife who loves to cook, loves to dress up, loves to feed people. What happens when Imran's past? Of course, Imran is, as you know, he's a lazy lad. And what happens when his past decides to visit him? And what happens between them, what happens uh, with Vidya and Imran and the couple, and how their lives change, and what happens after that is what Ghanchakkar is all about. And I'm not going to tell you further. I'm not going to tell you what it is all about. For that, you have to come and watch the film. As far as the song is concerned, the song is called Lazy Lad. So of course you can see it's about a lazy guy and a crazy his crazy wife. So I would like to firstly call on sorry, we would like to first show the song. We would like to first play the song, and then what I would like to do is जिसके बारे में song है और जिनके लिए वो song है उनको बुलाऊंगा. तो पहले first we would like to play the song. Can we have the song, please? The crazy, crazy, crazy Neetu. आइए मैम. ये क्या कर रही थी आप? मुझे तो ऐसा लगा आप क्रेजी हैं.
क्रेजी लिखा है मेरे बारे में हैं? मजाल है तुम्हारी.
आप
कौन
क्रेजी
हो
लग
तुम?
रहे हो इस पे, इसीलिए तो बोल रहा हूँ.
फैशनेबल हूँ, फैशनेबल.
अच्छा,
टिप टॉप, टॉप टू बॉटम.
क्या
अब
बात है,
बोलो.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. लैड कहाँ है?
संजू, संजू, घर यहाँ है हमारा.
मुझे तो सिर्फ स्टेज दिख रहा है यहाँ पे.
ये लैड है.
द वर्ल्ड इज स्टेज.
और ये लैड बैड है.
लैड बैड, बैड लैड.
खाता रहता है और मेरे बारे में बोलता रहता है. हैं?
नीतू,
हैं?
ढंग के कपड़े पहनो ना. बकवास कपड़े पहने हैं तुमने.
ढंग के? ये ढंग के नहीं है. हैं?
क्या है ये सब
मेरे
फूल
कपड़े
फूल यहाँ
ढंग
पे?
के नहीं है.
नहीं.
तो
क्या है फटा हुआ सब यहाँ
तुम
पे?
दिखाओ ना सबको कि तुमने क्या पहन रखा है.
हाँ दिखाओ दिखाओ.
पैंट भी निकालनी है मुझे. ठहर जाओ।
मैं नहीं उतारूंगी सबके
थोड़ा
सामने
संभाल
वो
के
भी।
एक सेकंड ना राज, कुछ और निकल जाए तो।
या कुछ और निकल जाए इससे पहले।
अच्छा है, आपको अच्छा लगा? हाँ? मैं नहीं
ये सिर्फ
खरीदा
लड़कियों के
है।
लिए था। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Few words. Sexy नीतू।
सेक्सी बोला है।
थप्पड़ मारा मुझे यार।
हाँ थप्पड़ मारा।
वो भी प्यार का। किसको क्या पूछना है पूछ लो।
कुछ थोड़ा फिल्म के बारे में बात कर लें पहले।
हाँ क्रेजी लैड से और लेजी लैड से।
लेजी ले क्या? क्रेजी लेडी। मैं
क्रेजी लेडी
लैड
से।
नहीं हूँ।
ओके क्रेजी लेडी।
Crazy lady. A few words.
मोगा की हो ना तुम? हैं? मोगा से आई हो? नहीं, दिल्ली से?
गाली दे रही हो तुम? गाली दी अभी तुमने?
मैं भी दिल्ली की नहीं हूँ।
अच्छा ठीक है, अच्छा।
क्या पूछना है पूछो. Hello everyone. Hi everyone. So you
Hi
want to ask
everyone.
about the film or the characters, whatever you want to. Feel the question for them or for me, whatever.
Just give me the mic. You're fucking up the event. That's fine. Thank you. Okay, we'll have the questions now. Thank you. Anyone?
Hi, good evening. Hello, hi. Here. Hi. So, my questions to all three of you basically, could you tell us a little more about this song? It seems very surreal. Is it just for promotional purposes? Is it in the film? What's it all about?
Hello.
It's a crazy song. It's a song about the character. It's a song about Imran's character, and it's a tribute to by Vidya to Imran's character, and largely universally, it's a tribute to all the husbands, all the boyfriends, all the fiance who who are mostly crazy. And of course, the song is there in the film.
I'm loving it. Um, Actually, I must tell you that when Raj offered me the film, I said, no way, I can't do this. This is outrageous. This is hilarious, yes, but I just couldn't see myself playing someone so loud and even crude, if I may say so. She's, bordering on the crude. But I'm glad he convinced me to do it. I've just had so much fun doing the in-your-face thing, whether it's with the clothes or with the attitude. And I'm hoping everyone enjoys her and enjoys the film, because I'm looking forward to the promotions. We'll go crazy, I think, during the promotions.
Vidya, hi, Vidya, Imran, hi. This question is for both of you. I want to ask you, what's the craziest thing you have done, Vidya, of late, and what's the laziest thing you've done of late, Imran?
The craziest thing I've done, crazy in a good way, is Ghan Chakkar.
I think the craziest thing is roaming around like this in this city. I thought this is going to be only for one day of shooting, but eventually it kind of lingered on. I've traveled in local trains in this, and I'm looking like a freak in the film. But everyone has seen me wear this, and I think the laziest thing, I think the lot of lazy things that I do. I think this song is a tribute to practically all the men. After a hard day's of work, we're like back home, and I'm back home, and we want our popcorn, we want our plasma TV, and we want to just sit back and just laze around. I think men are very good at doing that. So I think it's tribute to all of us.
Hi, this is Benita from NewsX. The song was really wonderful and made us crazy looking at it. I want to ask you, Imran, how lazy lad are you in real life?
Like I said, very lazy. Obviously have chosen this profession. I thought it's going to be easy. That was also a lazy move of mine. But that didn't turn out very well. I realized that acting has a lot of work, but then I had to stick by. So that my career decision of being an actor also was a very lazy decision, because I used to see films and I was like, that's easy. You probably get on set, you say dialogues and you leave, and here I am. This is hard work. So yeah, that's pretty much the laziest decision I've made, and pretty much everything. I look for shortcuts in most things. So I don't like any long route to any particular destination. I like to look out for the shortcut.
We decided on the song once Imran said that he's doing the film. That's when the idea of Lazy Lad came in.
I inspire people by laziness.
Vidya, there must be not many similarity here this side. Similarities between you and the on-screen Neetu, but I'm sure there must be something that must be similar between the two of you guys.
I don't think there are too many similarities, but you always end up finding something something you identify with the character. I think the fact that I find it exasperating when someone can sit in front of the TV and watch a cricket match for hours. Or just watch TV, keep switching channels as if your life depended on it. I think I find that really tiring.
Raj,
Hi Vidya, this is question for you. Hello, hi, I'm Sonika here. I just want to know कि after marriage, this is your first movie. So like, आपको कैसा लग रहा है? I mean, कुछ difference नजर आ रहा है किस तरह आप movie को promote करने जा रहे हो और मतलब marriage के बाद?
नहीं, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं नजर आ रहा है. Not at all, yeah. I was an actor before. I'm still an actor.
Siddharth is also a lazy lad.
I wish. I don't think he's lazy. He's working most of the time. He's not lazy. But TV देखना बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
hi Raj.
Yeah, in their lives.
Hi Raj.
नहीं, मैं कुक बिल्कुल नहीं करती, पर घन चक्कर के लिए मैंने बहुत कुक किया और इमरान ने मजा उठा के खाया बहुत बार.
थोड़ा ज़्यादा नमक डालती हैं खाने में. थोड़ा ज़्यादा, थोड़ा.
Raj.
वो खुश रखने के लिए कभी कहना पड़ता है कम है नमक.
Hi Raj. Can you just tell us more about Kanchakkar? What else he does?
ये तो बड़ी दुविधा वाला सवाल है हमेशा फिल्म मेकर्स के लिए. But he plays, as I said, he plays a guy who loves to laze around. He plays an ex-con guy who who basically gets involved in his last con job after he has retired. And what happens between the couple? I mean, there are a lot. It's a very quirky comic thriller. It's a comic thriller where we don't. The situations don't rely on hitting below the belt or for that matter in your face comedy. So it's a fun ride. It's a fun ride where we see this couple, we follow this couple, and things happen in their life, and how equation change or what happens after that. What happens once they decide to take do a job.
Vidya, the very first time you're playing the Punjabi role, tell us more about your role. मोगा से आए ना?
मोगा
मोगा
से
से।
आई हूँ। आप भी वहीं से हो?
जी मैं वहीं से ठंडी कुई के पीछे रहता हूँ। कुई के पीछे रहता हूँ, कुएं के पीछे रहता हूँ।
जी
मोगा में कुआं है ना वहाँ पर?
हाँ हाँ
ठंडी-
उसके
ठंडी
पीछे
कुई।
ना
ठंडी कुई।
मैंने आपको देखा है
जी, जी,
पहले
वहीं पे
वही
था।
मैं सोचूं चुप चुप के सबको देखा करते थे वो
या
हैं?
मैं ही हूँ जी।
I trained a little bit for the Punjabi accent because इसके पहले मैं पंजाबी कभी बोली नहीं हूँ. तो सुमीत जो एक राइटर भी हैं, उन्होंने मुझे ट्रेन किया. मैं उनके साथ डायलॉग्स बोला करती थी. पहले गालियाँ सीखी. That's the easiest way to learn any language. So I did that and I wanted to be comfortable with it because, you know, this character had to be so loud. I didn't want that to pull me down. तो बहुत मजा आया. और जहाँ मैं बड़ी हुई चेंबूर में, मेरी नेबर जो है पंजाबी थी. तो मैंने सुना हुआ है. I've just not tried it. So वो सब वापस आया जिस तरह से she used to, you know, her accent used to slip into certain words. So I've had a great time.
इमरान, can you please tell us इसमें किसिंग का कोई सीन तो होगा नहीं मेरे ख्याल से because तो कैसे आपका वो because you are known for
मैंने कसम खाई है इस फिल्म में मैं इस सवाल का जवाब नहीं दूंगा. इनके पतिदेव
I know.
इस प्रोडक्शन हाउस के हेड हैं. अगर मुझे यूटीवी के साथ ज़्यादा फिल्में करनी है
जी
तो इसके बारे में
I know. चलो ठीक है.
Thank you.
Imran sir,
Best way of getting out of the
Imran sir, Prabhat from Bollywood and Glamour, you this side.
Yes.
जो लेजी हस्बैंड होते हैं सर, वो सारे काम में लेजी होते हैं या सिर्फ काम में लेजी होते हैं और जो इंपॉर्टेंट काम होते हैं उसमें फिर एक्टिव हो जाते हैं?
I think कुछ काम होते हैं रात को जब टीवी कोई लेजी लाइट देखता है. कुछ काम उसके बाद होते हैं, उसके बाद थोड़ा एक्टिव होना पड़ता है. उन काम के बारे में मैं अभी नहीं बोलूँगा आपसे. आप गेस वर्क कर लो आप. तो थोड़ा बहुत लेजी होना पड़ता है कभी कभार.
तो
You can't always be passive.
इस मामले में आप तो बिल्कुल भी लेजी नहीं है सर.
मैं नहीं. जैसे आपने मेरी फिल्में देखी, I'm extremely active in my films and my personal life.
Vidya, hi. You know, in real, like Imran has a problem with your over-the-top dressing sense, you know. But even in real life, you know, you've always, the fashion police has always, you know, kept a very hard eye on you, you know. I mean, even be it the Cannes or wherever you go. So how do you take these kind of criticisms or comments? And how was your experience at the Cannes? I would like to know that as well.
मैं चोर नहीं हूँ तो मैं पुलिस का सुनती नहीं हूँ. The experience at Cannes was a very special and memorable one. To be on the jury of the most celebrated film festival in the world felt very special. I bring back memories that I'll hold dear for a lifetime. I've watched the best films, been part of the deciding jury of the Palme d'Or. What more? It doesn't get better than that for me. Thank you. No, I think the fantastic thing about Neetu, the character, is that she's unapologetically herself. You know, she believes that she's the most fashionable, and like she'd say, fashionable. And that's the fun. She's full of color. She's full of life. उसको लगता है वो best cook है, वो best looking है, वो बहुत fashionable है. You know, we need more women like that, yeah, to feel good about themselves. That I believe I'm the best. I just enjoy being me. That's all I'll say. Thank you. Sorry. नहीं मैं वेजिटेरियन हूँ. मैं अंडा तक नहीं खाती. So I don't know how that picture. My father asked me. He said, "क्या तुमने frog खाया?" मैंने कहा, "Yeah." So I said, "No, I didn't even know there was a picture like that." But I think they'd made a vegetarian something which probably looked like a frog in the picture. It was green. It was made of asparagus. So.
मैं सबसे पहले तो मैं इस लेजी लैड और जो जो इतना फैंटास्टिक गाना है और इस फिल्म में इतनी अच्छी म्यूजिक है, उसके म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर को बुलाना चाहूँगा। मैं अमित त्रिवेदी को बुलाना चाहूँगा फर्स्ट फॉर दिस फैंटास्टिक सॉन्ग एंड एज ही हैज ऑलवेज बीन, प्लीज अमित त्रिवेदी कम इन and he'll tell you about how it was making this song. Amit. हाँ, lazy lad सब lazy हो गए हैं, तो आ रहे हैं.
We'll continue with the question.
We'll just continue with the question. He has just gone out. So he'll come and join us. But before that, we'll take the question.
It's very, very shocking because he was very young and I can't believe that he's no more. जब से मैंने इंडस्ट्री ज्वाइन की, परिणीता के टाइम से हम एक साथ एक फिल्म बनाना चाहते थे and I've interacted with him there for quite a bit. It's just very unbelievable. मैंने 2-3 लोगों को फ़ोन करके पूछा कि is this true? And I think सबका यही reaction था. But God bless his soul. I believe he passed away in his sleep, and he is left back behind some very beautiful films, and yeah, strength to all those close to him.
Yeah, well, he's obviously one of the most celebrated directors that we have in our country, and some very good work. I think his work has really, inspired all of us. Some very good films. And yeah, quite unfortunate. He was very young, and yes, his work lives on. I think it inspires all of us. Young, old, all of us, directors, actors, any creative person needs to see his work. And yeah.
Yeah, I would like to echo the same sentiments as Vidya and Imran. It's very tragic. I mean, he was a celebrated filmmaker, and his work will live on. And these kind of moments are really speechless. You don't know what to say. The only thing is that again, as Vidya and Imran put it, it's speechless, and I just hope that God gives strength to the family, and his work will live on, and it will inspire a lot of filmmakers. A lot of filmmakers who want to make film, a lot of filmmakers who want to take a different route. So I just hope, and I'm sure his work will inspire. It has been inspiring us, and it will inspire all of us.
Yeah. Actually, इस सवाल का मैंने जवाब दे दिया, पर मैं फिर से कहना चाहूँगी कि सब कुकिंग करने लगे तो खाएगा कौन? I must tell you that I haven't come across another actor who does not laugh when he sees someone laughing. You know, I have a problem. I laugh like a maniac sometimes. I get into these laughing fits. And sometimes I'd be laughing and Imran would be like this, like the Buddha. So I really hope someday I'm able to do the same thing to him. Because you feel so bad about laughing, but you can't control yourself. But some of the situations were so hilarious in Ghanchakar that, I ended up laughing a lot more than I normally do. Is that right, Raj?
Yeah, I'll second that. Yeah. Well, actually, yeah, I didn't laugh much through the shooting of this film. There was once actually with the other I laughed and smiled. It was when you were not looking, and it was when Raj said it was back up the end of the day. And that smile was an accident. Yeah, that was an accident and never happened again. Because we worked some really grilling hours. But no, I think for Vidya, I don't know why she always gets surprised when I say I'm a huge fan of hers. And I think her spontaneity on screen, really inspires me. She really, the way she's kind of kind of steered her career into doing something very different and unique. I think that takes a lot of guts. When you have, women who are successful, who do their thing, I think Vidya does, kind of stand apart in the decisions that she makes with her films and the work that she does. Yeah.
Imran,
फंसा दिया यार. कौन है सबसे ज्यादा लेजी? नहीं, वक्त तो है पर ये फंसाने वाली बात हो गई. प्लीज मुझसे ना पूछें. पास. But I also want to say that I said this on when probably in our making shoot, if not in an interview, that, and I hope it's okay to say this before the film's release, but I think this will definitely go down as one of Imran's best performances to date. And I know he's, doing something new with every film, which is very, very interesting to watch. But I definitely think this will be one of those special films for him, for all of us. Yeah?
Imran, this is Lipika here, this side towards your right. Just now, while I heard Vidya saying that you don't laugh, a few other actors who've been pitted up, actresses who have been pitted opposite to you have also said that you are quite serious. Is this the instructions given to you from home, from your other half?
It's not like I used to laugh much before my marriage and uske baad meri hasi band ho gayi. Aisa nahi hai. I laugh, but I think it's doing too many serious roles. I think I need to lighten up as far as the genres are concerned. Too many dark roles, too many angry scenes. I think it's just become a part of me. And I'm hoping, obviously, Ghanchakar, I've started smiling more. Do you see this? I'm smiling. After marriage also.
विद्या, ये सवाल मेरा आपसे एक आखिरी सवाल है यहाँ पर. द डर्टी पिक्चर के बाद आप कोई भी डायलॉग या कोई भी सीन बड़ी बेबाकी से कर देते हैं, और इसमें भी एक सीन है जो ट्रेलर में हमने देखा है. ये जो चेंज है आप में, ये सिर्फ क्या हमने देखा या आपने भी महसूस किया? साथ ही इमरान से भी पूछना चाहूंगा यही सवाल विद्या के लिए, कि ये जो चेंज है, कोई भी रोल हो या कोई भी सीन हो, बड़ी बेबाकी से रहता है आपका, ये एक चेंज हम देखने लगे आफ्टर द डर्टी पिक्चर. ये क्या हमें ही लगता है या फिर आपको भी लगता है that you have become more comfortable?
नहीं, मुझे भी लगता है कि with every film, with every role that I've played in the past, maybe 4 or 5 years particularly, एक बेबाकपन आ गया है मुझ में, पहले से भी ज़्यादा. I think I'm just, I'm enjoying every minute of what I do because I'm living my dream of being an actor. I'm being offered such a wide variety. मैं उसका बस मजा उठा रही हूँ. I'm making the most of it, and I think which is why you see that. But I do think that films like The Dirty Picture have given me Ishqiya, have given me another sort of. They've liberated me in a different sort of way on screen, which is there for everyone to see. Thank you.
I think definitely. I think there's a sense of abandonment, and I think a film like Dirty Picture that was, a huge gear shift for her, a character that I don't think anyone could portray, because I think that's the best compliment that an actor can get when they see someone. When you see someone portray a certain character, you can't see anyone else play that at all. And I think that needed a certain amount of abandon, that character. It couldn't have been done, and I think she was the only one who could do that. Because generally actors also hold back a lot. I think that required to kind of just give everything, and she did that. And I think an extension of that can be seen in Ghanchakar's character. And also, just I want to say a bit about the chemistry in Dirty Picture. I think the audience, everyone longs to see somewhere I don't think there was enough screen time of Silk and Abraham together. I think people long to see their relationship culminate into something else to go further. But it stopped dead over there. And I think this film, although the relationship is very different, takes it 10 steps further. There still are the fights. There's still the entertainment quotient. And I think people are going to love this. It's a very real relationship. It's a very funny relationship. And I'm sure people are going to like it. हम सिर्फ घनचक्कर का ट्रेलर जानते हैं अभी यार.
Photos.
Great.
Don't lie.
Thank you.
Really very great. Or your style of dressing is quite chic. First of all, I would like to know who is the designer for these dresses.
Shubarna Rai Chaudhary has
Rick.
done my clothes and Rick Roy has
Rick
done
Roy
his
has done
clothes.
अच्छा तो फिर ये आपके क्रेजीनेस और लेजीनेस का चक्कर का घन चक्कर क्या है?
Well, I think एक बहुत ही odd couple है इस फिल्म में. I think जो characters हैं, इनका जो mannerisms हैं फिल्म में, it's completely juxtaposed, quite the opposite. But फिल्म में दिखाया गया है कि शादी के बाद अक्सर बहुत सारे झगड़े होते हैं. You don't see eye to eye with many things, but at the same time बहुत सारा प्यार है. There's a lot of chemistry. And in the night she makes me wear this this red. She orders me actually to wear this, and I can't say no.
It's very comfortable.
It's very comfortable. It's extremely comfortable.
और
क्या लिंक है ये जो घनचक्कर पूरा नेम कलरफुल है और आपकी पूरी ड्रेसिंग आपके सारा कलरफुल है, क्या लिंक है?
मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ कि आपकी तरह किसी ने हमसे सवाल नहीं पूछा. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड.
उन्होंने एक्चुअली मेरी जिंदगी में कलर डाला है.
बहुत कलरफुल लेडी
है.
मैं हर जगह कलर डालती रहती हूँ. मैंने घनचक्कर देखा तो
मेरे घर के इंटीरियर्स भी इन्होंने किए.
जिंदगी ऐसी होनी चाहिए, है ना, कलरफुल.
विद्या फर्स्ट टाइम आप पंजाबी एसेंट में हैं तो कैसा रहा?
फर्स्ट टाइम कॉमेडी, फर्स्ट टाइम पंजाबी एक्सेंट, और मैंने कोशिश की है एक डिसेंटली पंजाबी एक्सेंट बोलने की. आई होप आई मैनेज्ड. और मोर देन दैट इतना एक लाउड कैरेक्टर है और इनके कॉन्ट्रास्ट में है. ये बिल्कुल जैसे किसी चीज़ में उनका इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है और मैं बोलती रहती हूँ. सो आई लव दैट कॉन्ट्रास्ट. बट राज इज अ मैजिशियन विद दैट. आई थिंक if I may bring back No One Killed Jessica, उसमें भी characters बहुत ही अलग थे.
No, I think what really works is that I think Raj has when a serious filmmaker approaches a comedy, I think उनकी interpretation बहुत अलग होती है, and that's what I like. I think Vidya also has done a lot of serious, intense roles. I have done that, and Raj has done a lot of intense films. But when we approach that, I think that is something new and unique that comes out of a comic film.
Also, what's interesting is that it's a comic thriller. So normally you see a comedy or you see a thriller, but the way he's married these two, he's keeping you on the edge of the seat, and then you're falling off because you're laughing.
Yeah.
पहली बार जब लेडी लैड गाना सुना था आपने,
Lazy Lad.
तो उसके बाद आपका क्या रिएक्शन था? सुनने के बाद क्या सोचा था यार कैसे होगा ये गाना, ये किसने बनाया, कुछ ऐसा?
नहीं.
Was it a crazy song?
I think Amit Trivedi और Amit Trivedi और अमिताभ भट्टाचार्य से आप कुछ भी expect कर सकते हैं, and then when they're working with Raj, I think the combination of the three of them is just, they do, you know, crazy things. I loved it. I love the voice they've used. I love the lyrics. But every song is unique in this album. That is the USP of the music of this film, I think.
I think Amit is really the finest that we have. I think he's really, he's come into his own, and he's always done something that's new, unique. At the same time, I think it connects hugely with the youth and very commercial stuff.
And it's very rooted, huh?
Very rooted.
We never saw you getting so lazy. So, क्या कुछ आपको preparation करना पड़ा lazy होने के लिए?
Lazy करने के लिए कोई preparation नहीं होता है, बस popcorn खाना पड़ता है और TV देखना पड़ता है बस.
Last question, please.
मेरा ये तीनों से आपसे सवाल है कि आपने कांस को रिप्रेजेंट किया इस बार, तो मलिका ने एक स्टेटमेंट दिया है कि रेग्रेसिव इंडिया एक रेग्रेसिव कंट्री है जहां बॉलीवुड में वुमेन्स को इस तरह से प्रेजेंट किया जाता है, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? और इमरान, आपने भी मलिका के साथ काम किया है
जी 10 साल पहले, बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे? रियली इंडिया इज रेग्रेसिव?
I don't know. I really don't know if this really deserves an answer. I don't know. I don't think it deserves an answer.
I really think that it's unfortunate that someone has an opinion like that. I'm no one to comment on her opinion, but it may have been, I think importantly, women are coming into their own more and more in this country, and that is what we should be celebrating.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I don't want to answer that question. I don't think it deserves an answer.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.